Good morning, class, and I hope you guys are excited as this guy is for our first video lesson of our distance learning curriculum. He's broken. Okay. Today we are going to make French toast. Okay, this is something that you can make for your parents, or you can just make for breakfast, dinner, whatever you want. But first thing I'm gonna tell you is that you've got to make sure that your parents are around when you do this. You cannot do this when no one's around to help you. So, he's broken. Okay, so the ingredients we're gonna need an egg, we're gonna need some vanilla, cinnamon, milk, bread, and a little bit of butter. All right, first thing we're gonna do, I've got my one egg, and I'm going to crack this egg right here. All right, put that down the garbage disposal. All right, and then I need some milk. Now, I'm gonna give you the exact measurements of what you need at the bottom of the YouTube video. So just look at that. It says here that I'm gonna need some of this milk. Okay. Regular milk is probably best. Chocolate milk will not go good with French toast. All right. All right, so next, our vanilla and our cinnamon. Now, some people don't like vanilla or cinnamon in their French toast, so you can leave that out if you like. But today we're gonna put that in there. It's easier to take it out. It's easier to put it in than take it out. All right, so I'm mixing up my egg and my milk. I just used a plain old fork. All right, so got our cinnamon. All right, use our little measuring device here. Put that in there. That was a lot of cinnamon. Okay, and then we need some vanilla. All right. Put that in there. Oh, it's not looking good already because it's not cooked. Okay, so we're gonna mix this all up. As you can see, we've got everything stirring. All right, so I'm gonna get the stove all fired up. You just need a little bit of butter to kind of grease the pan. Come hither. Come closer. So we just got a little bit of butter in here. Now, there's a lady called Paula Deen. If she was making French toast, there'd be a whole stick of butter in there. So we're not gonna do that. We just need a little bit. Okay. So we just wanna move the butter around, make sure it's covering the whole pan. I may have had a little too much in there. Now, I'm using the pan this time, but I usually use a griddle because you can do more. But since we're only doing 2 pieces, I'm gonna throw this in the sink. All right, we don't need any more. Bunny bread. I highly recommend the bunny bread for your French toast. Makes your French toast extra fluffy. Okay, so we're gonna go with 2 pieces of the bread. All right, and I'm going to put this in the bowl. Whoops, probably should have used a bigger bowl, but that's okay. Shh. That would be Tigger. Okay, so we're gonna put that one in there. And then we're gonna put our Okay, so first lesson we're gonna learn is we gotta make sure we use a big enough bowl. All right, I don't think I did. All right, so we're gonna put that in there. We're all done with the eggs. Okay. Oh, smelling so good. I wish y'all had smell-o-vision because it is smelling so tasty right now. Can hear it starting to cook a little bit, and I turned it down about 6.5. We want it to cook, but we don't want it to burn. All right, and so you can see that it's starting to get a little. Oh yeah, there we go. So while we're waiting for this to cook, I want to introduce you to Tigger. This is one of our dogs. All right, and then we've got our two other dogs over there. That's Paisley, Molly. Molly. Okay, Molly is chewing on a bone, so we'll talk with her again later. All right, so we're ready to flip. So, oh, we gotta get under there. Let me see what we got here. All right. Oh, wonderful. Okay, and then okay, this one we might need to go back and flip it back over. But right now we're just gonna let it cook and simmer. I hope you guys are all doing good. This is gonna be our first lesson. We're gonna do 5 a week, 1 each day. And you can always find what we use for our cooking class at the bottom of the YouTube channel. So look for that if I don't explain it all to you during the video. So this is going to be like a cooking lesson and a cultural lesson because this is like French toast, so we're getting a little worldly.